You gotta check this out. It smells amazing right now. It really does. I can't wait to eat it. And I'm coming off my fast, so that might be a bit swayed because I'm just hungry. So off the top, no sauce. Let's taste it. I don't know. Hey guys, what's up? So we are here at Biryani, chicken here. So allegedly this chicken tastes good. I'm gonna test it out. We're closing out the day right now. It's about 4 o'clock, so I'm about to get off my fast. But there's the chicken right there. So it's $400 for the chicken with rice. So we'll see what happens. I think it's a good price. Ruby wants to check it out. It's like toyo manok, but with a biryani twist. We're waiting for the chicken to finish. I see the commercials all the time. A Davao Biryani. Charlie, this thing is actually my beautiful wife. The reason why, oh, it's actually at our anniversary today. Our first wedding anniversary, which happened 16 years ago. But yeah, actually this particular branch, there's 5 branches. This particular branch is in Matina, which we're not that far away from here, from our subdivision that we live in. But this is right off the highway. I've gotten some reviews from it. They say it's good, so we'll see what happens. But so I love the smell of Indian food anyway. I think biryani is Indian food, but always smells great. I love curcumin, turmeric, all those things. Ruby and I are going to be creating, or we might not be creating, but we're going to be doing more reviews at restaurants, and like, you know, things we're going out, like I guess I don't know, criteria as in like appearance, cleanliness, accessibility, customer service, potentially portioning. I'm gonna try my best to give a most unbiased review on these things on these places that we visit. It could be a resort, it could be a food establishment, and things like that. And you have to understand, like, if it's like a side of the road business like this one, then if it's a side of the road business like this, I'm not gonna be that harsh on it, because obviously, you know, there's a level of understanding you need to have when going to these places, right? But for what it is, accessibility wise, here, the one in Matina, biryani chicken, right? Davao Biryani, super accessible. It's right on the highway, literally right on the highway. So, you know, location wise, it's on MacArthur Avenue, not that far from Matina Crossing, which is the mall there, Center Point, and it's right next to Wheel Tech, literally right next to Wheel Tech. Cleanliness, I looked inside for what it presents, it's pretty clean. I don't see garbage around. I mean, even the dust is not really crazy here. I like it. Customer service, the guy was very friendly, entertained us, asked us 20 questions. He didn't push us away, as in like, sometimes here in the Philippines, you'll get like, hey, what is this? Oh, that's that. It is what it is. And then it's like they don't want to work there. So customer service, really good. Portion is supposed to look like that. Right, a whole chicken. It's a whole chicken. Right, it's a whole chicken with rice. So we'll see what happens. You gotta check this out. It smells amazing right now. It really does. I can't wait to eat it. And I'm coming off my fast, so that might be a bit swayed because I'm just hungry. The denoise is on. I mean, the denoise is on right now, so it should kind of quiet this down. I'm in the middle of the street, middle of the highway, right? So technically, it should be a bit noisy. I'll see in post edit, but I'm gonna fit this into the video. See what the portions are for 400 pesos. Is it worth close to $10, like $8? Okay, there it is. Yeah, that's a whole entire chicken with some rice. I'm gonna give you my honest opinion on this. It comes with a little bit of sauce here. I don't know what it's called. I guess this is a masala sauce. It's right here. I'll take a dip in there and whatever. But let's see. The boys are attacking already. So, whoa. Let's talk it out here. You can't eat this food. You can't. It's too much seasoning. It's just too much seasoning for you. And look who's my guest here. All the time. Hi, dudes. Okay, fine. Gotta wash my hands again. Okay, there you go. Hi, dudes.
What's your plate?
I'm gonna eat from there.
Oh.
Just put that's making your plate. So don't eat the dead cat here. That's hello. Hi. So we're gonna eat. You guys can't eat this because it's too much seasoning. But we're gonna feed you soon. We will.
Oh.
And Ruby's gonna give it a taste and see how it tastes, and we have to watch out for the boy to want to eat it. Look at this. Look at him. My 5 criteria, accessibility wise, it's a 5 out of 5 because it's right on the highway. There's 5 branches. Portion wise, as you can see, it's pretty well portioned for $8, 400 pesos. Cleanliness, I would say it's fairly clean. It is on the street. There's a little bit of dust, but they've done their best to mitigate a lot of those concerns. I looked inside of where they're cooking their rice. It looks swept up. There's really no dust anywhere. Customer service, the guy was good. He actually kind of wanted us to stay. I'm not a big fan of calamansi on food.
Do you know how to eat food by hand?
Of course I do. Filipino. So off the top, no sauce. Let's taste it. I don't know. So I suspect that this is dry rubbed, right? This is dry rubbed. It's very tender. Falls off of the bone. It's all off the bone. Quiet, and it's very tender. I noticed that there's a kick towards the end. The kick of spices towards the end. But all in all, for 400 pesos, I think it tastes great. Now, compared to Javali, where I eat a Javali a lot, Javali, it's a bit richer in spices. But for 400 pesos, I like the gristle. I can see myself eating this a lot, and they're pretty close by. So taste, I'll give it a 4. I'm good with that. I'm gonna eat this and then try to take a nap and then on my way to work. Okay, bye everyone.